So we already received our repaired DJI Mini 2 drone because I crashed my drone I think last month. Then I only had time to send it to DJI service repair last week. So I think after a week I received this. It looks like they sent us a new drone instead of the one I sent them. The one drone that I sent, which is needs to be repaired. So it's really good that they sent us a new unit of DJI Mini 2 and it's still sealed, as you can see. So they sent us a new unit with a different serial number. So it looks like they took the drone that I sent them, which really needs repair for the gimbal, for the camera, and the one arm which is broken. So let's try to open this one. Here we go. So it looks all new, or maybe it's a refresh unit, but I think I'm satisfied with the DJI service repair because I did send a small box which I'm gonna show you in this video. It's just a small box, a brown box like this. Then they sent us the repaired one. They just sent us a new unit with a different serial number, so it looks like this is a new DJI Mini 2 with the box. So it did say here, DJI may repair the product by replacing it. So the replacement unit are brand new or equivalent to brand new products in performance and reliability, and product number or serial number may have changed. So that explains why we received this new unit of DJI Mini 2. Let's try to remove all the stickers here. And they also, because the drone I sent them, well, I think 2 or 3 of the propellers were also broken, so they did not charge me for changing it to this new propellers, so it's a good thing. So let's try to connect this to our remote control, put the battery in, and see if it's working well. So I already did the flight test outside. It's nighttime, 10 p.m. here, so it's I was showing it's a good night shots video. So I did test for the 4K footage, 30 FPS. So I did not find any issues. It flies good, the gimbal turns correctly. So I'm happy that DJI Service Repair Center gave me a new replacement here. It feels really brand new. So it's, for me, it is worth the money that I paid for the repair, because I did have the DJI Refresh Care. I just paid for the whole quotation, for the service, the parts, the labor, but it's worth it. It's worth your money. So I'm gonna show you at the end of this video the night shots that I did test earlier with this new unit. I hope you guys like this video and help for those who crashed their DJI Mini and afraid to send it to the official DJI service repair. It's gonna worth your money. So this is the timeline of my DJI Mini 2 repair request. So it was on December 4th that they accepted my online repair request, and then I did just follow their instructions, and they asked for like the receipt to be uploaded online. So once I completed all of those requirements from them, they have this sticker from UPS. So you just have to follow any couriers that they ask you to send to your drone. So on December 9, you can see in the screen that they received my drone, put in a box, and then the day after, December 10th, they were able to assess the damages and any other things to fix, and then I paid for the total quotations that they sent me through email. And then the next day they repaired on December 11, and then it's the same day they shipped my new repaired drone, which is actually a new replacement, brand new drone, the DJI Mini 2. So it's pretty quick, from December 4 to December 11. It's like more or less just a week of repair. So that's for the timeline for you guys who wants to go for the DJI service repair. So you can go for it, and don't hesitate to send your drone, because it's worth the money. So hope this video helps for you guys who crash their drone.